Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new tutorial. So today here is the creative store and you'll get 90% off to get the creative store like mockup and the 360 images or object mockup or creative fonts. So let's go to the main tutorial. Today I'll show you the preset which is the dark mode type preset and how the setting will be. And I made a preset for you guys and I'll provide you that preset download link. And let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first going to the file and open up. I downloaded some images from unsplash.com and I'll provide you the download link to you for your practice purpose and you can practice at your home. So this image I'm just importing. It's taking time to open up this type of image. The totally nature and green type greenery all the stuffs and press Ctrl or Command J. But sometimes we do like to use the Moody color just because of the trend and following the new era or new trends like that. So going to the filter and here the camera filter. By the way, I'm using the Photoshop 2021 and the camera 13.0. And if you don't have these two things, that means 2021 for the Photoshop and the camera 13.0, please do update. In my video description I'll provide you the download link. So from here you are getting the new look of the camera 13.0 and you'll get three dots over there. Go to the load settings options and I already made the preset for you guys, and here is a black Moody and load it up. So it loaded. And what is the settings? Let's see. This is the main thing here. The temperature plus 10 and the exposure minus 1, and here the dehaze plus 29 and vibrance and saturation vice versa. That means vibrance is minus 100 and saturation is plus 100. This one is the main thing to make your preset. So going to the curves options, here the input value 255 and the output value 250, and input value that is 192 and output value 189, and the input value 66, output value 57, and input value 0 and output value 16. And on the other hand, for the detail option, sharpening 13 and the noise reduction 9 and the noise reduction for the color noise reduction 12. And after that, color mixture, that is hue, saturation and luminance, three things. Hue is the color, which color do you want to use, and saturation is the percentage of color, and luminance for the intensity of the color. Saturation is that is minus 40 and yellow minus 48 and green minus 40 and aqua minus 100. Actually these three or four things are already desaturated, and luminance a little bit down, that is 11 for the red, minus 13 for the orange, yellow minus 16, green minus 12, aqua minus 12, blue minus 13, and purple 10 and minus 12 for the magenta. So after that, color grading, here is the in this new 13.0 camera filter you are getting the three wheels, which is the shadow wheels, midtone wheels and the highlights wheel. In a shadow portion the value is 214 and the saturation 18 and luminance 19. In case you didn't get these three layers or three lines, here is a small icon or small arrow, just place it out and you are getting the three things for your convenience to adjust the color. You know that the darker area is the shadow and highlight, mid-tone is a non-darker area like this one, the greenery, though those are the mid-tone, and the highlight, this water is the highlight. So in this mid-tone I'm getting the color code that is 258, that is the hue. If you give the same color you'll get the same color to your photographs. That means this code is very important to make the color. The saturation plus 9 and the highlight, in the highlight I didn't use a little bit saturation up for the this zero color, and all the thing is like that. Here is the blending and balance, two things, and you can blend and balance over there. Optic geometry didn't use, and effect didn't use. Calibration, I use the three primary color over here, red, green and blue. Red primary, that is plus 38, and green primary plus 64, and blue primary, that is minus 32, and hit the OK button. Final or initial one, you got it, but I will use here the another preset which is from the Nick collection. I'm going to the filter again and Nick collection and color effects proof. From this panel you are getting lots of filters. Actually this one is the plugins of the Photoshop. If you want to get the download link, please check out my video description. And from here I'm using the C01, or you can use one of them which is convenient to your photographs, and hit the OK button. It will take time to load it up and providing the final output. And this type of image is good. And let's see how it works in other types of image. Go to the open up options and let's find out another type of image, the another image that is like that. So press controller command J and go to the filter again and camera filter. Now I will apply that preset which I applied earlier, so dark type Moody or black Moody. So you're getting like that, but in this image you have to change the like vibrance or saturation a little bit down, otherwise the face will be more darker, and the temperature or exposure could be like that. And you can use the like noise reduction more, it will be more like smooth type, and hit the OK button. You can use another filter or not, it's totally up to you, but I think this one is the dark mode type okay image, and this one is the trend in this time. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And one thing is that if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. And if you want to get the stock files like the presets and other stuffs, please check out my video description. All the stuffs I provided already in my video description. And stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers as well. Today me ASM Arif signing out. Bye bye.